Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we are going to be looking at how you can perform number systems conversion in Excel. So with Excel, you can be able to perform different kind of conversions from decimals to binary to the octal form as well as to the hexadecimal form, and these are just what I will demonstrate in this video. So we are going to be starting with the decimal conversion. So if you look here, you're going to see that we have a list of decimal numbers here. We have 23 down to 175. So we want to be able to perform decimal conversions from decimal to binary to octal and to hexadecimal here. So I will start with the binary conversion. So to perform this, I'll be using this dec2 bin function. So when we enter dec2 bin, we can select this very decimal number to get it converted to binary. So this places is just optional. Okay, so I will not be using it. So I will just select this, close my bracket, and you see the conversion to binary. Now we can convert this decimal number to its octal form. So I will just use this function, dec2 oct, select this my decimal, and these are my octal numbers. Now we can also convert to hexadecimals using this function dex2x, and we select this, and these are our decimal conversions. So we have used decimal number to perform conversions that led to binary, octal, and hexadecimals. Now next that we're going to be looking at is when we have binary numbers, how we can perform conversions based on binary numbers that we have. So if I come to this new sheet, I'm going to link the binary number that we got from this decimal conversion here. So we'll come back to this sheet and then link this B2 and copy this down to get all of them. Now I will convert each of them to the decimal form, the octal form, and the hexadecimal form. So the function that we'll be using in this case is the bin2 dec. So if I enter bin2 dec and select this binary number to be converted to the decimal form, and I can copy this down. So if we check these decimal numbers here where we had a decimal conversion sheet, we see that it is the same decimal that we started with, and now we can also convert to the octal form from these binary numbers. So if I do bin2 oct and select this binary number, we can successfully get the octal form. We can still get the hexadecimal form using the bin2x, then select this binary number, and you can see we've successfully gotten the hexadecimals. Now from this binary conversion where we've gotten our octal form of the numbers, let's continue with our octal conversion. So I will start by linking these octal numbers, then copy down. Now I want to convert my octal number to decimal. So to do this, I'll use dec function and copy this down. To convert to binary from octal, I'll be using the octal bin, select this, copy down, and to convert from my octal to hexa, I will be using the oct2x and select my octal number, and you can see I've successfully gotten the hexadecimal conversion. To perform our hexadecimal conversion, we are still going to take this hexadecimal output here, link it to this sheet, and then use it to perform various kinds of conversions. So I will come here, then select this hexadecimal. Now I want to perform the decimal conversion. So to do this, I'll be using the hex2 dec and select my number to get the decimals. I can also use the hex2 bin to have it converted to binary, and use the hex2 oct to have it converted to octal form. And you can see that we've been successful with this number system conversions, converting decimals to binaries, to octal form, as well as to the hexadecimal form. And I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.